philosopher once said, "Make it simple, make it memorable, make it inviting to look at, make it fun to read." He tried to define every possible thing that an advertisement can do. A graduate in commerce and an avid sports lover, Mr. Amit Kabre represented his school and university in various football tournaments. Mr. Amit Kabre is now the general manager handling sales for Midday, Gujarati Midday, Pune Midday, and also Dainik Jagran government sector. Good afternoon to respected dignitaries and friends. I take the privilege to introduce to you our fourth speaker on the Marketing Summit, Mr. Amit Kabre. I request Mr. Amit Kabre to occupy his seat on the dais. There is much more to his accolades. After completing his master's in management from Chetna Institute of Management, he started his sales career in Ankit Advertising, where he sold on behalf of Outlook Magazine, Z Premier, PC Quest, Data Quest, and many more. Year 2000 gave a boom to his career when he got a chance to work for Midday. In a span of 5 years, he was a part of the team which launched sections like Hot Property and Big Break. In 2005, he moved to Hindustan Times and worked for the Mumbai launch, and this experience helped him to understand and channelize a lot of things with respect to marketing, promotions, and corporate tie-ups, etc. Branding, tie-up with Lal Bagh Cha Raja, Dahi Handi tie-ups with major pandals were some of the activities in which Mr. Kabre was involved after joining famous radio channel 92.7 Big FM. Without taking much time, I hereby present to you Mr. Amit Kabre.
It's floating. But today I'm going to present Brand Midday and the innovations with the print industry operating on a daily basis. Before we start, I know it's been a long day, and I always have been at the back seat. Whenever there were sessions like this, I used to avoid them. And after lunch, it's the hard time to take any sessions. So I know that it's been difficult after a lunch session to just take a session like this. So let's not make this session a little boring. Let's interact between each other and try and take as much knowledge as we can from this session. I would like to thank Bedekar College for inviting me first and giving inputs on advertising and print innovations. Firstly, I would like to ask you a few questions. Is advertising necessary? Is it necessary? Why? Okay. It's a brand recall. Okay.
To promote your brand.
To promote your brand, definitely. Do you think there are different ways of advertising and means in today's scenario? Yeah. The traditional way of advertising has been the print media, and it will always be the traditional medium to promote any brand. Because print is an habit. I'm talking about the newspaper, it's a habit. As everybody brushes and do their daily activity when they get up, newspaper reading has been a habit over the years, whether it's the Times of India, Hindustan Times, Midday, Mirror, and new papers coming into the market. Don't you think that it is a habit? I think there should be more response. It's a habit, or it is put by force? It's a habit, right? On that background, I would like to present print, the innovations, Brand Midday, and other aspects about advertising in the print medium. Before starting my presentation, I would like to ask you, what is Brand Midday all about? Everybody knows what is midday? Yes, no? Because what is, I would like to ask this question to the guys. What do you miss now about midday? There are laughs, so I can expect some answers. In my college days, can I get the answer? What do you miss about midday today? Come on, be vocal, yeah. Page 2, what's the brand? In my college days, I used to pick up a midday for the midday mate, which is not there now. So everybody knows what was midday mate? Yeah, midday mate is not there. So everybody hope that it miss midday mate now. I will give you a brief before starting my presentation that Dainik Jagran, which is the largest read newspaper in the world, has taken over midday publications. And in the recent past, midday is called the Dainik Jagran Group publication. So I'll start my presentation on we term ourselves as India's most engaging newspaper. Why? Because we engage our readers in terms of infotainment. We give news and also entertain in the best possible way. Anybody can tell me what are the properties, what is the section we have at midday? You know any kind of section which midday caters to, which is talking to Bollywood and other details? Oh, so you all read midday or don't read midday? I need to start copies here, I think so. It is called the hit list section, which talks about Bollywood and entertainment, and which is the most famous section in the Bollywood segment. I have 5 publications in my kitty. Midday, which was established in 1979. I have the Gujarati Midday, which was established in 1995. Inqilab. Inqilab has been the father publication of Midday Group, which was during the freedom time. Mr. Abdul Hamid Ansari has started this newspaper in 1938. So this has been our father publication in the group. So that's there. I'll tell you the growth story, impact, efficient and effective. Midday is the fastest growing English newspaper in Mumbai, clocking a 3% growth. I'm talking this from the IRS Q3 2012 data which is there. IRS is done by, it's the Indian Readership Survey done by MRUC, which is the body which looks after the circulation pattern and the readership of the newspaper in the city. Gujarati Midday has grown by 7.5% and it's a clear reader and it's the number 2 publication. Inqilab is the number 1 publication in the country with 15 editions now launched in the city of all over the country, that is. And midday.com is the fastest growing website in our kitty. We have a total readership of 13 lakhs for Midday. When you take an advertisement with the Times of India, what we cater is, we deliver 2.38 lakh more readers than a Times of India. So what is that? Exclusive readers. So that is, there is no duplication between a Times of India and a Midday. So whenever you take an ad in Midday, we give you 2.38 lakh exclusive reader, which are not a Times of India readers. This is what we meant. More about Midday, as I told you, it's a part of a Jagran group now. We have print, outdoors, activation, mobile, online, and whatever related to the media fraternity we have We have presence in Mumbai and Pune. Daily readership is 13 lakh readership, as I told you. Our core target is between 20 to 40 males and females, professionally self-employed in a full-time job belonging to SCA and B. If I talk about SCCA, everybody knows about what is the socio-economic class A segment and B segment. You can ask, it's not that, we can interact. There are parameters which are there. There are parameters which are there. That is SCCA is an income group above 10,000, educational qualification above a graduate, and his family background are considered. So SCC is socio-economic class between the segment of A. So all these parameters who are there above 10,000 income, more than graduate, and the family backgrounds are considered to be SCC A and B. So we catering to the segment of SCC A and B, the higher class audience which is there. So this is the segment. Midday is the Mumbai's favorite city tabloid. A welcome break for readers to get away from the daily. So what we do is we act as a secondary reminder medium for advertisers, and what we do is we come in the middle of the break when you have time to read a newspaper. So that is there. It's informative, engaging, and entertaining, which help energize and navigate a life better. So what we do is, it's a light reading. It's a light reading newspaper after a lunch break, where you have the time to read a newspaper, where we don't cater to a serious news kind of thing. So there is Bollywood, there is sports, there are different kinds of sections we cater to. Closer to the purchase time, and hence serves, as I said, it's a secondary medium. When in the morning you don't have the time to read a complete newspaper, like a Times of India, because you are in a hush to reach office. What we do is, you must have seen the ad in the morning, or you must have seen the news in the morning. We act as a secondary reminder medium to it. So that's there. These are the things what we midday readers are all about. Front page is most often, and the first read section, 75% females read hit list, because that's their 31 and 29 readers are in age group of 21 to 30. We have the guide, sports sections preferred by male and also females now. And majority of the readers who read sports section read the entire article. So this is the survey done by the body which is there. So the article on sports is read entire. It's not that the article is left here. 84% midday readers are quite satisfied with it. These are the sections which we have in midday. The Metro, which caters to local news. Vinod Kumar Menon is the city editor. Hit list is done by, now Shubha Shetty is there. Hot property is done by Shubha. Sports is Clayton Murzello. Center stage, we have this talking about promotions, parties, and different kinds of things coming, like the pastry concept, which is there. Big Break, which talks about the appointments and different kinds of job offering. We are the strongest in the classified advertising. That's there. The guide is what's happening around the city. So anything related to the city, we guide. It's the guide to what's happening, any new launch, anything. So that's there. We have this wellness section which comes on every Tuesday, and the trip which comes on every Thursday. As I told you that midday is being leader in classified personal advertising category, in addition to automobile, retail, service, entertainment, films, and lifestyle products. So we are the leaders in all these categories in terms of advertising. I'll talk about the product innovations. Nowadays, the complete scenario has changed in terms of advertising. The normal advertising fraternity is looking for midday on innovations. So this is the party guide which we removed during the Christmas and New Year section. What we did is, we came in a smaller format midday. The midday size was reduced to half, and this is the guide which showed us all the party happenings all over the country, all over the city, sorry, and which was taken over by an advertiser, and this got us from a normal advertising doesn't give you that much revenue, where an innovation or a new idea can give you that kind of revenue. So that is the option which we can create. Now midday hit list is in a broadsheet format. So normal on a Friday, if you pick up a hit list, it is into a broadsheet format. So it's into a Times of India format, because we wanted to increase our film advertising, which was normally in competition with a Bombay Times or a Hindustan Times Cafe or a DNA after us. So we wanted to cater that advertising and attract more advertising. So we went into a broadsheet format. So this is a Times of India broadsheet format. This is the innovation for Mortein and Tupperware. If you can see this, the bottle, the water which is splashing out, it is called the text wrap. It's the text, the water is coming and it's in the format of the words which are there. Sip of bliss. If you can see that. So this is an innovation which we talk about. The Mortein also spreading its fragrance in a different format. So these are not the normal kind of advertising. These are advertising which are on the basis of innovations. So this has a larger impact on the advertiser. The recall value is on a larger scale, and it attracts higher revenues for a brand. So that is all about the text wrap. This is the Bachchan special. On his birthday, 70 when he turned, Midday did a special feature with his interview and attracted the brands which he endorses. So what happened is, when we attracted Bachchan for his birthday, automatically there were advertisers where they came on board. So this was an innovation. The idea itself clicked and got us revenue. So that was it's an idea which clicked and got us revenue. It's not the innovation, but it was on the time of the occasion we clicked this feature, and which got us revenue on a higher model. Otherwise, this revenue wouldn't have come. There were brand ambassadors like Cadbury, different kinds of things, who Mr. Bachchan is associated with, came us on board with this brand. These are some schemes which are which we operated for the 12-12-12, which was there. Then there is this for Ganpati special features which are there. So these are ideas which attract revenues for the occasion. This is the Dhanteras special. This is Akshaya Tritiya special which we did. On the World Environment Day we did, so occasion, these are ideas and special occasion which generate revenues for the brand. This is the magazine which we spoke about, fashion and travel and automobile special which we did. This is the Guru Nanak. That's what occasion are then taken into generation of revenue. This is a visionary special and the anniversary special. The visionaries are the builders who are there. They spoke about the current scenario and different kinds of infrastructure and real estate scenario in the city, and how they want to develop Mumbai in a different manner. So this was contributed in this manner. We did different kinds of innovation. This is the innovation which we spoke about. We did from the normal advertising pattern, we moved to exhibition format, where we did the hot property exhibitions and took it to the next level. These were on a very larger formats, which gave us huge amount of money. The first was the Kandivali one, and this was the first time Midday did a hot property exhibition like Times of India and the MCHI does. So it was in a very big format that Midday came up with this hot property special and attracted large revenue. So we went to Thana, So catering to different segments of the city. Kandili was first, Thana was there, Virar was there. So we went, then we had this BKC exhibition which was there. So we went to different formats to generate revenue, and it was a very large scale. Before this, we never had the exhibition format, but now we have moved to a level from the normal advertising pattern which follows in print and taken it to the next level. This is the innovation which we did for Ford and which won the award for the best innovation at the MVs. This is the Ford entering to the back page. There was a midday back page, the Ford entering from inside, back page. It is, you can see the middle, it's on the center spread, that Ford is there, and it will come out from the front page. So this is the innovation. This gave us revenue which Midday's history didn't give us. This won the best MVs award which was there. What do you see by this? If you normally, if I don't show you the second page, what do you think? What will you think when you read the headline? Minister shot dead in broad daylight, and Midday putting this news. What will you think that? You will think that something has happened. Okay? But this is an impact cover. This is an innovation which we did for Rakta Charitra when they launched. This was an impact cover. That's the false cover which we talk about. When the issue starts, before that, there is an impact cover which talks about this kind of innovation. So the page 1 had this news, and the page 2 was the ad which was revealing about the brand, about the movie. So we got so many calls on that day. Ki, what's this news all about? Who's been shot dead? There is no news by TV channels or something. But then when the next day we had to publish a small corrigendum stating that was an advertisement and it was an innovation. So that is the kind of impact Midday delivers. If you can see, for a Valentine's Day innovation, what we did is, on the front page, this toothpaste, on a Valentine's Day, the toothpaste comes out on the front page, gets on to the page 2, and the page 3 had this advertisement of close-up, which was a heart. Yeah. This innovation was from HUL for the Valentine's Day special. This also generated us a large chunk of money. So basically, I would there is a different format of advertising going on every aspect. For example, when you have any idea that when orange turned into Hutch, at that time they had the word, it's pink. Anybody remembers that? Because Hutch was, the logo was into pink, the branding was into pink. So 1 week, Radio Mirchi was completely on a full mode of Hutch, it's pink. Hutch, it's anything related to the brand was into pink. So maybe it was turned, the conversations which were there, it was pink. So the kind of innovations, Hutch gave them around 50 lakh rupees for 7 days. That is the kind of money which Mirchi did for the Hutch launch. If you remember this innovation where Midday turned into a broadsheet for 1 day when Axis Bank had a campaign. So 1 day Midday turned into a broadsheet. So it was the Midday size tabloid turned into a Times of India size. For the same program, Ring Ka King, if you can see, इतना बड़ा है इनका आकार कि अखबार को बड़ा बनना पड़ा. So that's what the innovation is all about. This was the Savaria launch. We did it on the butter paper. The normal paper was not there, the butter paper innovation. We print it on the butter paper, and this was the effect. It's the jacket which happened for the launch of Savaria. This is again the close-up launch. The bubble from the front page goes to page 2, page 3, and it comes to page 5. You must have seen the midday anniversary bags. So these are the bags in which the midday is inserted on. Acha, can I ask you one question? How many years have been midday catering to Mumbai? No. How many? Anyone? Just take wild guesses, no? It can be right. It's 34 years. Midday celebrated its anniversary on the 27th of this year, and we completed 34 years in the market. So Midday has been delivering y'all for the past 34 years in the city of Mumbai. So this is an innovation in itself of a bag. So the bag carries the advertisement of any brand. This was Tata Sky. This was 2 movies, Loot and Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. So the bag had the images of the brand. These were the 2 movie launch and Tata Sky, and Midday was inserted into it during the brand launch, during the innovation. So if you look at Midday bag, if you look at a Midday bag, it is kept throughout the year and it's retained as a advertiser's point of view valuation. So this gives us a larger chunk of revenue for the brand recall. This is an axe effect. So if you look at the steps which are there, the axe walks, and for this ad, Madison won the best creative at the MVs. So if you look at the footmarks which are there on that photo, it comes there, it again go on page 3, and the axe effect is there, the full ad. So this was the MV winning ad for Madison. You must have seen this innovation where Naye Saal, on the 1st of January, when it was a Naye Saal ki Shuruaat, Midday came in a Cadbury cover. This was the biggest innovation which Midday did, and Madison, in fact, won the best innovation year. So Midday came in a pouch of Cadbury. I hope there is a lot of silence, it's scaring me. This is the digital part where we do a lot of innovations, a lot of things which will happening. About Gujarati Midday, the fastest, as I told you, Gujarati Midday is priced at 4 rupees. No other Gujarati newspaper is being there. We're catering to 4 lakh affluent Gujarati reading people in the city of Mumbai. Completed 18 years. As I told you, Inqilab is the #1 Urdu publication. Now it has 15 editions. Now we've taken it to whole of North. So that is it, the Midday brand and the innovations which we do.
I would request the audience to ask the questions, please.
Everybody was so silent, are you all with me or do not? So I would like to ask, any questions which are there from my side?
So my question is on yellow images. You put yellow images sometimes in your paper that some politicians and other politicians are talking to each other to convey the message to the viewers. You know, a politician, sketch of a politician. If I'm not wrong, it's called as yellow images.
The cartoon part you were talking about?
Yeah, with the politician sketch, face of the politician.
Yeah.
So do you face any kind of complaints from any kind of minister?
No. It's basically it's from the edit side. It's not the advertising per way. So it's basically the cartoon things, like you must be seeing Marmik, which was a patent of Balasaheb Thackeray, and Samna. Every time there are this kind of things which are there, but it is taken in a lighter manner. So
for a viewer, it's more kind of a joke based on the political.
It's basically a joke, nothing catering, because it's an edit property. There is nothing as such as an advertising format. So I don't think that that is taken in any sense. So that.
Sir, I have a question, two questions for you. One is hello, the threat which are being posed by digital advertisement, delivered by various modes. And the other question is about Go Green movement, like the papers are making a lot of nuisance, causing deforestation. So what is the strategy for, increasing your, for minimizing the threat from ads by webs and all? And the other question was about what would be your strategy about having a Go Green movement?
I will first answer the first question which you asked me about print advertising moving on to different mediums. That is what you mean, right? Okay. Yes, there's a revenue chunk which is happening all across Times of India, HT, DNA, whatever print mediums are there. They've suddenly started facing the music because of different mediums. As print has become a very costly medium, because if you look at the cost of a Times of India, you can take 3 months of digital media. So it's in that sense, yes, we are, but as I told you, it's a traditional medium. For any launch, for anything, print can't be avoided. So it has its strengths, at the same time it has its weaknesses, but you can't afford to miss a print. And since print is a habit, every advertising fraternity has to launch it through print. So I don't think, yeah, it will be a little, the revenues might go down, but not to that sense. But it has to be a print launch followed by the other mediums, because the recall which print can give, because since in the habit, because it's picked up by every reader, so that kind of losses can't be done. So print has to be a traditional medium, and it can't go the way it is what you're thinking. It will have its importance in terms of advertising. That's that. The second question which you asked me about, the ecological part, the Go Green movement. See, basically what's happening is newsprint prices has touched the sky, and because it's imported. Many newspapers are using imported newspaper. And what is happening is there are rules and regulation maintained by the government, and since it's imported and there are laws which are made, there are particularly fields of these trees which are there, which are maintained only for this purposes. So there are laws and ways and means for Go Green. It's not that they just cut away the trees but if you look at the prices of a print, that is doubled, means if it was 10 rupees, now it's 100 rupees because of the rupee value, and also since it's imported. So everybody is bleeding in terms of advertising. Advertising is a bit on lower side because of the market things, and it will in the due course take care, because there are more stricter norms and ecological things which are happening by the government of India and all over the globe. So there are things which will be taken place.
In the morning, we had a speaker, Mr. Nitin Bhagwat, and he had made a statement that news is a lie. And for just PR, brand gives PR to newspapers, and then they just print it for the sake of money. So what's your take on that?
I don't know how true it is, but if that would have been the truth, there would have been no newspaper surviving in the country. Because people know, you and me, you are so intelligent people that whatever is paid or whatever is, it's immediately grabbed. So, and the media fraternity can't make the readers a fool. So I don't think that's happening. There are certain segments, yes, it's happening because, and there is a need for, maybe there is a, maybe in the fashion industry, Bollywood or something, for the promotion things, it's happening. But if you talk about pure news, I don't think that's happening. It is out of question that media companies will do this because they have loyal readers who have been trusting them for years, and they can't afford to do that. I don't think that can happen. Questions?
They can really afford to print that entire thing. So the same question I'll put in that way, how much advertisement is needed to give the readers midday in 4 rupees? That's my question.
See, I'll give you a classic example. To print a midday, the cost is 15 rupees. It's to, if I don't survive, I have to have advertisement to survive. Otherwise, I will have to give you a paper at 20 rupees, 25 rupees. In other countries, the cost of a newspaper is 100 rupees. There are no advertisements, but the cost of a newspaper is 100 rupees, 200 rupees. But on the basis of advertising, it's the backbone. If we don't get advertising, we can't give you a newspaper in 2 or 3 rupees. The printing cost is 15, the production cost itself is 15 rupees. Then come the vendor, then come the other things, transportation, everything. So I can't afford to give you a newspaper at 4 rupees if I don't have advertising. So that's there. Apart from that, I also give you as you said, the circulation, the subscription pattern which is happening. If you look at classic examples, everybody is withdrawing their subscription patterns because it's not affordable. You can't get a DNA at 199 rupees for a year. Raddi ka bhi bhav usse zyada aata hai. So everybody has realized that in the bargain, in the competition field, everybody wanted to be number 1, number 2, but nobody is able to touch the Times of India, and that is where they've realized that cost has suddenly gone so much that advertising is not coming. So everybody started to withdraw the kind of subscription pattern. I'll give you classic example. DNA just pumped in their copies, pumped in, and they said that they are number 2 in the city by doing 6 lakh copies. But at what cost? They suddenly realized their cost to print a newspaper is much higher because their inventory, the kind of staff needed, the kind of newsprinting, they realized that the cost was 100 rupees, they've done 500 rupees of the cost. And in that proportion, they're not able to cater advertising. So what happened? Everything is imbalanced. And they have suddenly started cutting down on copies. Their 6 lakhs copies have come down. They've deliberately come down to 4 lakhs. So that cost is reduced. So it's impossible. If advertising is not there, we can't give you newspaper at whatever cost we get. Thank you. I hope the silence doesn't mean that you didn't enjoy my presentation. I hope it was informative for the brand midday. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Dr. V.N. Brims and marketing team, I, Ms. Nikita Parte, wish to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to Mr. Amit Kabre for this interesting presentation on innovations in print media advertising. I would now ask the audience to express their appreciation in the same way and request our director, sir, to felicitate Mr. Kabre.